Thinking about building a home but not sure where to start? Maybe you're relocating or just haven't found the one on the resale market. In today's video, I'm walking you through what it's like to build with Maronda Homes in Magnolia Ridge, in the Magnolia Ridge community in Canonsburg, PA, including a behind-the-scenes look at my amazing clients, Liz and Josh, who are currently building the Boston floor plan. I'm Krista Lorenzo, a Pittsburgh-based real estate agent who helps buyers find the right home and the right lifestyle. Whether you're local or starting from across the country, just like Liz and Josh, I'm here to help every step of the way. Subscribe below and tap that bell for weekly tips and Pittsburgh info. Liz and Josh first found me on, you guessed it, YouTube. They were living out of state, dreaming about moving to Pittsburgh, and started watching videos to get a feel for the area. One video led to another, you know how it does, and they reached out for a virtual consultation. We talked through their needs and ultimately decided new construction was the best option for them. Fast forward to today. They came into town for their design center appointment at S&P Flooring in McMurray, and it was so exciting to finally meet in person. Magnolia Ridge is one of the most popular new communities in Washington County right now. It's just outside of Canonsburg, minutes from I-79 and Route 19, and offers peaceful suburban vibes. Great access to shopping and commuting routes, lower Washington County taxes, USDA loan eligibility, and a variety of lot sizes and beautiful views. It's the perfect blend of convenience and charm. One of the biggest decisions when building is choosing the floor plan that fits your lifestyle. Liz and Josh chose the Boston model, a smart, spacious two-story home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, an open concept layout, a large kitchen island perfect for entertaining, a flex space for home, office, or playroom, second floor laundry, a large owner's suite with walk-in closet, and a full basement. It checked all of their boxes and then some. Maronda also offers other great plans in Magnolia Ridge, like the Maronda, with over 2,400 square feet and tons of flex space. The Somerset, the Birmingham and Carlisle, larger models with more formal space. As your agent, I help you break down all the choices so you can pick the plan and options that are right for you. One of the most exciting milestones is Design Center Day. This is where the home really starts to feel like it's yours. Liz and Josh made their selections in person, picking their flooring, cabinets, tile, countertops, and more. One of the best parts, this sweet pup Aspen, who hangs out at S&P to help test the flooring with those adorable paws. This is where the personalization magic happens. I love when I get to attend and support you through the process and answer your questions. You don't have to go through this alone. When you work with me, you get full support from start to finish. Virtually or in-person tours, builder consultations, lot selection strategy, plan and upgrade comparisons, design center support, site updates, walkthroughs and inspections, coordination with your lender, builder rep, and more. And no, using a realtor does not have to cost you extra money. The builder rep works for the builder, I work for you. If you're ready to build a new home or just want to explore the idea, I'd love to help. Whether you're relocating like Liz and Josh, upsizing, downsizing, or looking for that just right layout, I'll help you make it happen. Maronda Homes is building all across the Pittsburgh region, and I can help you compare communities, incentive, floor plans, financing options, and find the perfect fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a video about living in Pittsburgh, building your dream home, or discovering your perfect neighborhood. And if you're thinking about building or just have questions in general, reach out. I'm here and I'm happy to help. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.